cousin. There you go, TT. Y'all get away from the dog. Let them come in. Hey, auntie. Yeah. Hey, cousin. Bring them in. Wait a minute. My family is one big crazy family. Come on, put y'all phone back on the radio. This y'all party, get it cracking. Let's go. And our family just been together like we stick on glue. It could be a party, everybody showing up. It could be a dinner, everybody showing up.
Hey, twin, how you doing, girl?
And I have a twin, my sister. My twin, Dominetrius, is very caring. She can feel how I feel. Like, say if she get her heart broken, I'ma feel it.
I say, look, I can't live with all these lies. In my city ass war, when I get caught lacking at that store, oh, we up on too much money, ain't enough money. So I need some more. Too much money ain't enough.
I live with my grandma and my auntie and her kids, and I love them. But it's like, I gotta go. I mean, it's too many people in one house. Excuse me. It's 4 bedrooms and 11 people living in one house. So I want to take that stress off my grandma, because it's extra people you feeding. So I need to get my own apartment. Move out on my own.
You started school already? Let me tell you about my I got get through it. It's over with. I got straight A's right now. I got an A+, I got a B+, I got a C.
School is important because without a diploma or a degree, you will not get in no job. And I would like to start a career, something that I can make something out of my life. And that's what my mama and my grandma want to see. It's important to my mom and my grandma because they never got the chance to experience graduating out of high school or going off to college. So I think they don't want us to follow their footsteps. They just want us to just go off and do what's best for us.
Tell the truth. Do you plan to follow your parents' footsteps?
Me and my sister was the first one to go off to college. We went to Benedict College in Columbia, South Carolina. College was really fun, but I had my times when I struggled, I had my breakdown. You think you got all the support, but when in reality, you see that life really hit you. Like you by yourself, you on your own, and I wasn't ready to be on my own at the time. I realized that I was coming back to Chicago is when it was springtime. Everybody left campus. I'm in my dorm alone. I was just thinking like, I can't do it. When I got back to Chicago, my mom was like, what you mean you ain't going back? She was just like, why? And I told her, it's not for me. At first she was mad, but at the same time she was like understanding like why we really left.
But I just want y'all to remain focused. I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do my work. I can't lack. No lacking at all. I just need for y'all to do what y'all gotta do and get to it. You know what I'm saying?
My mom is a very strong woman. She's been through a lot. She had her kids at a young age, so it was a lot of responsibility. She don't even think about herself. She just think about her kid. That's all she think about. No matter if we older, she always gonna have that same love. Like she always, it get irritating sometimes, cause she just be worried. She's scared. She's scared. So she always stepping in. I want my own space, you know. I want privacy.
But you gotta find something that within your budget, cause baby, market rent is high. Yes.
She always made sure we had the education. Like she's very hard on education because there's something she didn't ever get the chance to experience. I mean, she didn't graduate from high school. She didn't go off to college. So that's just a gift to her. Like to show her that we're gonna finish for you.
Like I don't want my kids to feel like they stuck in a trap. I want them to go out there and do what they gotta do and work and earn their way up and be successful. Just live a life better than what I live.
Exactly.
It's hard, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes they get discouraged, but I gotta keep pushing and keep pushing and keep pushing until they get it. They say, go hard or go home.
Exactly.
And right now, you gotta go hard.
They have pushed me to go, but I just can't be away from my family for a long period of time.
What you mean?
I'm afraid of just being away from my family. That's gonna hold me back from doing what I have to do to leave the hood. You want to be successful, I want to be successful. I mean, you're gonna make a change, you're gonna do what you gotta do, and I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta be better. Sometimes I do have doubts, but then again, I can't let nothing stop what I need to overcome. I gotta go get and do it. I gotta finish it. North Lawndale is a community. It's like a lot of history in it. They love to do a lot of stuff like have block club parties for students, for kids, back to school. You look like your daddy, boy. And that's what North Lawndale is about, like helping out one another, being together, doing things, and just having fun. We stayed here for like 6-7 years. Yeah. When I was walking on my old street, I ran into one of the ladies that just speak to everybody.
Oh, my Lord. Yeah, my little songbirds.
She called us the little songbirds because me and my sister will sing our life away every morning going to school.
But you two were like backpacks on your back, your earplugs in, but you were singing. You all were just so joyful like now.
We was happy going to school with each other because it was just a lot of fun. I love school.
But you stood in there, look at you. And it's what, like, and this is your 3rd year?
Yes.
Girl, go ahead. This is wonderful. Oh, my Lord. And you from the hood?
From the hood.
Girl, go ahead. Well, yeah, girl, you can do this.
So by her looking at us like these young ladies love school, they gonna be some, and that's something she told us, y'all gonna be some. And it was really a motivation, like somebody out there looking at us thinking we gonna be better, so we might as well go strive for success and still go to school.
We're here whenever you all come. We are here.
Okay. I ain't seeing you.
You too, girl. Come back. You at Maclamation, you said, right?
I'm coming back.
Come back.
Yeah.
Oh, I love you all so much.
We love you too.
And I'm so encouraged to see that you all are encouraged about school and that you all are encouraged to stay there and to hang in there, okay? I love you all so, so much. I do. Oh, my little songbirds.
See y'all. Yeah. Won't. There are also negative things in North Lawndale. The violence, the gang members. There's a lot of gangs in North Lawndale, and we don't know how to stop that, so it's just a lot of gangs. That's the bad part. They killing each other. They killing each other. A lot of people don't have money. It's like people be struggling a lot. That's all they know is North Lawndale. They know the hood so much, they don't want to get out of it.
Going to college, that helps you see the world so much better. Like, it really helped me because I don't like depending on nobody.
Lady is a person that I can always go to whenever I need something, whenever going through something. Lady is always there by my side.
And when I was in college, that built my backbone. That is why I go hard the way I go hard now. Because I don't want nobody saying, oh, you won't have that if it wasn't. No, I got that because of me. Yeah.
She's somebody I look up to all the time because she strives for success, and she's a hard worker.
I let the wrong thing distract me. Like, I let other things, like, pull me down, which pull my grades down, which pull my confidence down, which pull my motivation down. But I didn't stop. Right. I kept going. even when you have bumps in your road or even when you feel like you just can't go to the next step, you got to keep going. And I'm going to stop talking because I'm finna cry.
She was my support back in Chicago, and I was like, I gotta go back. I'm going back. This is where I need to be. I feel good that I actually came back because I have support. I didn't have it when I was back in South Carolina. I didn't know what I was doing down there, so now I can have the support I need to get where I'm at. I learned from my mistakes I did in South Carolina. I had a whole year to reflect on that. I grew a lot. I'm giving college another try. I gotta do better. I gotta become better because I know my family counting on me. They really counting on me to like get that degree. So I know I gotta come back hard. My vlog, my hood, my city. We call it M3. It's basically an organization, like a non-profit organization that take like students to travel the world, to learn new experience, to try new things, to get outside of their neighborhood.
Y'all wanna wave to everybody?
Okay. Hey guys, we back. We made it to the well, we finna go selling. We gotta show them.
Yeah, we going selling. Today we going selling downtown Lake Michigan.
Gonna sell y'all.
Yeah.
You but y'all gonna be doing everything. They just there to like guide us. It's so much fun. I whipped that boat last time. I ain't mean to. We almost tipped over a little bit.
I'm good enough. Are we going?
Okay, Indy, we turned around and y'all flipped over.
And you stay close nearby, please. Gotta be tight. My girlfriend is India.
I know how to swim if the boat tip over.
If I fell, you gonna come get me?
No.
She's so sassy.
I got my driver's license, not a boat license.
I really love her and how fun she is and how she's so caring. She's like a mother. And a girlfriend that act like your mother, she's the one. So
You gonna let us drive?
Oh yeah. Hell no. The whole time.
like she care about your future more than you care about your own self. Like she loves school too, and having that connection with her, like that's my baby for real. We with Sandy. Come on, we're gonna be with Sandy.
These are the Colgate 26s. We have 2 main sales.
I never done selling before. I don't even like getting in the pool in 5 feet, and I'm thinking I'm drowning.
It's like what?
I like your cute.
Thank you.
Get to it.
Ooh, back. Okay now. Okay now.
Use that. And just throw them below.
Make sure I don't drop it. I'm holding it too tight. Don't kill her.
India, I'm hands off right now. India's got it.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
And now you guys can start to raise the sail.
Come on, Roddy.
Heave ho! I don't know if you guys can feel it, but we're actually moving now. I feel it.
I was scared like it was gonna tip over.
A boat go fast.
We going too fast, we going too deep. If I fall in it, I was just scared.
Oh, you're so cute. Turn around. Say cheese. Okay.
I just had to push my fear in the back and just overcome it. And I started putting my feet in the water. And it was okay. It was okay.
Wait, all the way. Ooh, Marge. We tipping. We tipping too much. Look over the phone. Okay, put your phone down, Father.
Going upwind.
You're going upwind. That is the correct terminology. Good job.
I like that. Let me go call your mama right quick. Everybody else had to take control of it one by one. And when it came to my time, I was like, if I steer them the wrong way, if we flip over, it's my fault.
Push it the opposite way. You can pull it up too.
I was a little scared, but then when I got the hang of it, It felt cool. I was like, oh, I can sail a boat?
You're the skipper, so you got to figure out how to maintain a straight course.
We're going too fast?
Oh, we just right.
That's the way I learned. Just get out there. And no matter how scared you is, you got to do it because it's just a step forward in your life. Chicago just so big. And looking back on it, it's just like amazing to me that somebody just take us out of our community and just show us different things and a new experience. I never had the chance to go outside my neighborhood. My goal is to get out of North Lawndale and have better opportunity in another city or another country. I want to get out of the neighborhood. I want to get my family out of the neighborhood.
This video raises questions, and I need for you to be extremely honest in the comments when answering them. And just so you know, I have 3 questions. Number 1, what do you think of when you hear someone say, I would like to start a career? Number 2, who would you like for me to do a video on next? And number 3, what are your thoughts about this video? Please share them in the comments. Now please be honest when answering these questions. Share this video with anyone you deem necessary. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.